people, I want you to follow me on this one because as you can see here, I promise that I'm gonna react on a video that somebody actually on a message somebody sent to me, and but he did not know that I have already find out the source of the message. And then our brother, if you are watching if you are the one that sending me website on my WhatsApp to see the where Dr. Ngozora is and how she is a government agent and all that. I have already browsed on that website before you send it. I am here to reveal to you that the people that send it to you, that because you claim that you are that finance minister and Sona was that they are right, they have the source. Another now, they got that message from someone whom I believe that they are in contact with. Now, what you are seeing here is Radio Biafra. Okay, one day ago, they made live broadcast. One of their media warrior, media errat, or whatever you may call that, but one of the media personnel, host program on a space. And this link here, this S link is what I'm gonna tap. I will click on it. Then when I click on it, hold on it will not open that program. This what I'm watching now is the program that he did as of yesterday. Okay, let me see if I'm gonna pause it. Now I have paused it. What this guy is the one that made that broadcast on attempt to expose COS. I just showed to you Radio Biafra, that is DOS platform, hosting program to expose no other person but COS, not finance minister, not anything. In fact, they don't even have any post or comment about him. When we said that they are working for somebody, don't doubt. That's the reason for that. Now, this our brother that sent me this, but don't know this thing. Because more mana if ndị na-follow na abụzi mmadụ zefo ozi n'azụ abịazi gịwa just to win your soul. Now, the website they are talking about, when you open it, truly you see COS there, and you see some other Nigerian people, Northerners, Yoruba, everyone. Then remember when PM was Igbo president in Finland, campaigning and projecting Tinubu's Atiku's presidential election when he contested with Peter Obi standing as his vice. PM have made it publicly clear that he was part and parcel of his campaign team in Europe. COS here, in other hands, have worked similarly in the past. It is not her duty that people the host of the website are still retain her picture there. I could remember the program that PM did where he said, where he browsed, because he know the people that are fighting him. He know that DOS could lay hand on that to castigate him. He quickly used that to do program and said that ever since he left the organization, that they have failed to update their website, even to the extent as of the time that he was making the video, that they are still having him on their website as one of their member, when he have already denounced everything about them, because DS went behind when he started propagating the Biafra movement on his platform. DS as always sneak out to contact men and women in that organization to use their influence to see how they will, KJ PM Oku, KJ Akanoko, PM expose that thing, that look at what they're doing. They're still they're incapable of updating their website because he's no longer working with them. The same thing is what we're seeing here. But I'm not here to defend COS. I'm just telling you what I know. All right? Remember, I'm watching from outside. I'm not an insider. I'm not a member whatsoever. Now, listen.
And check it out. The website is In the website, you can use your phone is NCW, ncwsng.org. Now, if you check this website, there are certain things we cannot tell you at a certain moment because you need to learn in a hard way, to be honest with you. If you don't learn in a hard way, you will never be reasonable for future occurrences. Now,
remember, the assignment here is to bring COS down. Remember, the same group that claimed they brought PM down is the one doing this program. And guess who is sharing it? People who are telling you that there's charter. You have to use charter to change anything. The same people that worked against PM, that signed petition and bragging about it, calling you people names. Go and check Sona Akparawa's Twitter when he started, he will call you people mugus. Just the same thing that US are calling everybody. Today he want to explain to you as a good Biafrans to come back and listen to them. Now listen.
If you check this, I want to tell you what this group is all about.
Okay.
Take note of this. Do you know what this group do?
Okay.
This group, they say their vision. That their vision to ensure that every Nigerian man, woman, and youth who is eligible to vote or contest for election is given the opportunity and support needed to do so.
Remember, he's now sounding as, from the US member, he's now sounding as if they are not in support of election. They hate election. Remember, these are people who sold Masmokan probably because these are allegedly, okay? They sold Masmokan. I'm not saying that I verify. I want to be pure in what I'm saying. So the people have alleged that they sold Masmokan. Let me correct myself on that. They have come out publicly to tell us that PM was wrong, to say that there's no election in Biafra and that P2B should go. They suspended everything. They shut down everything in Biafra and changed their profile from Biafran to One Nigerian, campaigning for P2B. Remember, don't forget that. He's here telling you that this group is a group that want to make sure that every Nigerian that are eligible to vote will vote, as if they hate voting. You can see how it kind of, Cameroon life they want to live. Today, they change to aquatic animal. Next hour, they are wild animal. Before you know it, they are domestic animal. You can never hold them one place. Never.
This is what this group does. I say you can use your phone and make a research. It's ncwsng.org. Now, it's a US-based group. This group I projected. And they said their goals. I just read their mission.
Remember, it's a US-based group. So, but when they flashed that to the cabinet, in the cabinet, they are projecting it to you that she is a member of Nigerian government. But their master is here telling you what this group is all about. The group is this is that. And remember, this website is old. They were not just, it's not about something that happened now. Guys, even COS picture then, she look younger than how she, her look at the moment. I'm not saying that she's old, understand what I'm saying, but just to tell you that it happened years ago. Now, whether she's still a member there or not, she will be the one to answer that. But I'm telling you that the leaders you have even now, PM, Masmokan, once like that, they have passed through that process. But the primary purpose of this thing they're doing now is to give you more reason to drag her down for their implant to survive. People who, and that implant is not about giving Biafra, it's about cajoking and destroying what PM is all about. I flashed to you on the video that one of the video here, what Methuselah said, that karma, that what goes around what they how do they normally say that, like what comes around goes around, or what goes around comes around, something like that. That is what they are trying to do. They are doing what gives them joy. What will give them joy is seeing PM being destroyed. Like anything about him, let it just go. If PM is, let's assume that God in heaven, God open heaven and say, hello, my people, to the hearing of every man, that PM is going to give you Biafra next month. Are you ready to accept this Biafra from him, or you want to wait next 50 years for another man to bring it for you? DOS will sign for another 50 years to make sure that the Biafra will not come, well, freedom of Biafra will not come in the hands of PM. That is the agenda. Now listen.
Look at their goals. To enhance and support active participation of women, men, and Nigerian youth in the election process in Nigeria. M. What are they aiming? To register all eligible Nigerians for voting. So this is what this group does. This is why it was founded. This is what they run. This is a group. Now, this group could be said to be an expert when it comes to Nigeria election participation. So they engage in campaign, which is educating people on how to participate in the election.
Na masha dog man on a cracky forget. You see that COS is a government agency, the politician. Look at it. Ask them what party, what political party can you point out and say that she's a member? Even if she was a member or she were a member, I don't know. But all I can tell you is that currently she's not. And Mazna Modekan was a member of APOGA. Bona fide member. I'm not saying that he want to join. A member of APOGA. Have you crucified him? The answer is no. PM, the same. Even you that is watching me, you that is commenting, you have once sold your hands in Nigerian government because everybody wanted it to work. We are talking about Biafra because of the condition. What are people going through? I'm not going to allow this guy to continue to say what is, because DS now, they don't, on the process of looking for views, they will spend 3 hours to make one video, sometimes, very long video. We are not here to go through all the video, what they have to say. But for you to understand the keywords, what they want to achieve with that propaganda and everything. I'm not, like I said, I'm not here to tell you everything. I can only touch what that is needed to be touched, because sometimes you may read something and see something, but you may not understand it. People who don't have time to understand what that website they're circulating is all about may see it and say, oh, it's true, this woman is evil, witch, and who is that? That is that. What I'm saying is, I'm not saying that I have examined COS that she don't have any problem, but I'm telling you the purpose of what they're doing. She is not what these people are painting her to be. If you doubt, bring your own. Bring your evidence. Because we have to, make sure that whatever you are saying is evidently based, with anything. If you want to verify, you can verify. Because I've seen this website, people send it to me, and that person is one of the deep or top follower of Sonak Barawan and their group. So my people, thank you so much for your time. I'm not gonna make the video to be too long. We are just want to highlight on it so that in case you come across the website, know what it's all about. And this is I just want you to like the video, because it will help other people to understand where the message is coming from, who pushed the message to the public, the intention of that person that pushed in the public, people that are circulating what they want to gain from it. What they want to achieve is not what you that are following, because you hate any Nigerian politician in the Biafra struggle, right? You are fighting hard, genuinely thinking that you are doing the right thing. But people who are pushing you to do that, They are using you to gain what they want to gain, which they cannot tell you. I believe that is the best way to summarize it. And thank you so much and like the video. God bless you. Subscribe if you are new. Bye bye for now.